In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your data from ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean export of your space and know exactly how to get it into Excel. First, open your browser and head to clickup.com. Sign into your account. If you use Google to log in, choose Continue with Google and pick your Google account when prompted. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click your profile or name icon. Then open Settings. If you manage multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one before continuing. Some export options may require owner or admin permissions, so if you don't see what I'm showing, check your access. Inside Settings, find the Imports/Exports section. This is where ClickUp lets you bring data in from other tools or export your own data out. Choose Export Items to begin. Next, ClickUp will ask you to select location. This refers to the space you want to export. Click the location picker, then select the exact space whose tasks and lists you want to take with you. Taking a moment here to double-check the space prevents exporting the wrong data, especially if your workspace has similar names. When you're ready, start the export. Click Start Export and give it a little time to process. The duration depends on how much data you have. Larger spaces with lots of tasks, custom fields, or attachments can take longer. Keep the tab open while ClickUp prepares your file. You'll see a confirmation when it's ready. Once the export is complete, click Download Export. Your file will save to your computer, typically as a CSV or a zip containing one or more CSV files. CSV is a spreadsheet-friendly format that works well with Excel. If you receive a zip, unzip it first so you can access the CSV files inside. Now proceed based on the file format you downloaded. For a CSV, open Excel and import or open the file to view your tasks, lists, and other exported fields. If prompted, confirm the delimiter and character encoding so columns display correctly. Then upload or open the file in Excel, and you're all set. You should now see your ClickUp data successfully imported into Excel. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Store a backup of the downloaded export in a safe place, and consider adding the export date to the file name for version tracking. Also note that exports generally focus on structured task data. Some elements like large attachments or certain views may not be included in the CSV itself. That's it, you've exported your data from ClickUp and brought it into Excel with confidence.